Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make zinc color, only ways. Clean the zinc with a degreaser and a Scotch-Brite pad, rinse and dry thoroughly. Preheat evenly to a controlled temperature until a pale oxide forms. Watch color shifts carefully. Quench or patina as instructed below to lock in tone, and finish with a clear sealant to protect the new zinc color from wear. Start by arranging tools and safety gear and clear a workspace. Degrease the zinc surface and lightly abrade to ensure consistent heat response. Measure temperature closely and use a reliable heat source for uniform warming. Prepare your quench or patina solution in a separate, labeled container. Have a clear sealant ready to apply quickly after achieving desired color to prevent rapid oxidation and loss of hue. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated anywhere and is perfect for long workshop sessions with easy sipping and solid leak protection. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one for your bench. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat evenly to initiate a thin oxide layer, observing colors as they progress from pale straw to deeper tones. Test on a scrap piece first to learn timing and quench response. For the only way method, time the quench or patina precisely to capture the exact hue, then rinse and neutralize if needed. Finish by applying a clear protective coat while the piece is stable to lock in the color and durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.